Come test drive this 2008 Toyota 4Runner. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, and highway fuel economy of 21 miles per gallon will allow you to drive further between fill-ups. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, like heated seats, power trunk closing assist, fully automatic headlights, illuminated running boards, a roof rack, and power front seats. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.